Hello and welcome to this Forex preview at xm.com. I'm Maria Pachordes and joining me is investment analyst Marios Hadjikyriakos. We'll be discussing the upcoming Bank of Canada meeting and the potential reaction in the loonie. So Marios, COVID infections in Canada have risen a bit but seem to be under control. And the Canadian economy has undoubtedly improved since the last central bank meeting. So does this mean that a rate cut is pretty much off the table for now?
Hello, Maria. Yes, that's pretty much it. So the Canadian economy has actually recovered much better than anyone expected, really, over the latest months. The government had a very powerful fiscal stimulus response that flowed into the economy, into economic data, and therefore we are seeing core inflation accelerating in September. Retail sales have rebounded and they're actually higher on a year-to-year basis. And the unemployment rate fell very sharply in the latest employment report. So the economy is doing better. The only worrisome spot is the latest surge in COVID infections. Yes, those have risen lately, but compared to other countries at least, they are far, far lower. So overall, I don't think the Bank of Canada will act at this meeting, and that is also a view supported by the markets. The markets are not pricing in any chances of a rate cut over the next 12 months. So they're not going to act. The question is, will they hit a slightly more cautious tone in a sense? To which I believe that yes, that's possible. We might see, the bank highlight that infections are rising, a lot of uncertainty remains, investment expectations for the Canadian economy are lower according to the latest Bank of Canada business survey. So if anything, we might see a slightly more cautious tone, but no action for now.
Okay, and if the central bank's message is unlikely to cause much of a reaction in the loonie, what will?
Well, if they do hit a dovish note, let's say, we might see a small spike lower in the loonie, but overall, if you look at correlations of what's driving the loonie lately, you will see that the loonie has a very high correlation with the stock market, with the S&P 500, and a very low correlation with crude oil prices. So how stock markets perform will be the single most important variable for the loonie. And on that front, I think that how the US election and the stimulus talks play out may actually be more crucial for the loonie than anything domestically in Canada.
Marios, thanks so much. And thanks for joining us at xm.com.